Hey fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a very deep cleaning of my bathroom. It's been 3 weeks, let me just say 4 weeks guys, because the weather has been really cold, so I haven't cleaned my bathroom. I just need to be sincere with you guys. Here's the shower. You can see the grease, very dirty. And then this part is the his and hers toilet sink, whatever you call it, water closet. That's Mr. T's. That's mine. So I'm just gonna start out by clearing it out, and you guys should stay tuned. I thought to show you guys this. That's how I store my sponges that I use for my makeup. I'm just gonna go ahead and clear all this real quick.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight.
So guys, I did buy this item and I want to unbox it right in front of you guys for you guys to see. I got it off of Amazon, I think for maybe $60 something. It's an electric spin scrubber brush. I did see Anita Frederick TV, shout out to Anita Frederick TV. I did see her using it. I was like, oh, I like this, it will save me because I have a very big bathroom. I have a shower, I have a jacuzzi, I have a toilet, you know, everything very big. So I was like, I need this, especially for the shower, because oh my god, that shower, so I'm super excited about this. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this together.
Yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights.
Guys, I have figured this out, and now that I've figured this out, let me show you guys. So it has 2 hooks here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hook. You guys see, it kind of feels difficult. I don't know, maybe it's me, you know. Fixing it for the first time. Do you guys see? So it came out again, so I just had to redo it. I mean, if it doesn't hook properly, it won't come on. So do you guys see? Taking this off. Okay, now I figured it out completely. All right, so it's working now. And this is the charger. Let's find where this charger stays, where it goes in. I haven't even checked that out. Oh, okay, so it's here. Nice. I like that it has a protective cover. This is me using it in here in the bathtub to spin. When I first started, I didn't get the concept of it. I was forcing it, using it like by forcing, but you really don't have to do that. However, for washing the bathtub, if it's only a bathtub you have or a jacuzzi, I wouldn't recommend buying this brush. But for something like this, yes, please go ahead and buy it. Do you guys see it removing all the grimes and stains? So yes, it's effective, and for standing showers it's effective, but for a bathtub, don't waste your money.
Take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? seen it last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford.
So now that I'm done cleaning the toilet, I have cleaned the toilet, like cleaned the bowl, scrubbed the ground, everything, and I'm gonna just return all these things back to the shelf in the bathroom and the toilet. I don't know why I keep mixing it. So I just return all these things. I always keep these things here because of safety, because my kids are still very small.
Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
It's time to clean the mirrors. Nothing is untouched. Guys, how many of you love to dance or listen to music while you are cleaning? I love it because it just keeps me going. And the last thing on the list here is going to be me mopping, after which I'm going to set everything back in order, bring out the new, I bought a set of new carpets actually that I'm gonna be spraying. I usually change those occasionally, so in a year I'd say I change it about 3 to 4 times in a year. So putting the new one here. Mr. T has his own, so he doesn't split, so I'm not even touching it. Do you guys see the spinning brush? Do you see the work it did here? It did a good job, I won't even lie. So you guys should rate my cleaning in the comment section. What do you guys think? I'm super excited. My bathroom smells fresh. Everything looks clean, smells fresh, looks good. And my jacuzzi is ready for soaking. But I need to soak myself, you know. After a long day, everything is super clean. I feel good. How many of you guys have done your spring cleaning? I haven't done my spring cleaning yet, but I'm looking forward to it. In our forecast, it shows that's going to be snowing next week, so I want the last snow to fall, and then I will go ahead and do a spring cleaning. My garage is a mess, guys. It is a complete mess. So this is Mr. T's carpet. I don't touch his carpet. I leave it for him. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next